Alright, yama atiefone adofo nyina so akwaba mfamra jumadi so aha Charles Ado TV on YouTube, Charles Ado TV on TikTok, Charles Ado on Facebook. And then first time I heard you subscribe, share, for comment, and so intimate comment session. Na fe bibia so no intimi enko so kama and so intimi onyamo china and just a Ghana edition of El Clasico and so intimi baso we a president cup just no and so intimi baso no enye easy cry and so 80 oh yeah the one some Europe and so 80 eba e be the transfers and so hon come na say intimi for back to back and so 80 for reality for sense ye na tikakra and ja be dru fie na just say bia so no and so 80 akoso na bia so no 80 akoso kama and so 80 el hotino enche be dru fie na bia so no 80 akoso kama yem fan sem no and so 80 fama ye for na afi no Didi Hobiano and so intimi and twaso. Yes, as here a free number china game and also 80 air basso. Just a tima, your friend say a Akrato folk and so any team a friend say a Asante Kotoko a bunny. Now game in a basso a crucial gamer. Just and also so 80 air basso. I just said as a share to folk trainer and also so 80 cost not some share be not just say come up. You say drone. Na mu ache se o hwe hat of folk train na no so timi koso na we the modern way pa na just hat of folk panya fa ne se Didi Dramani and so etimi dia wuram e wo timi fa ne se hat of folk side ache se drone no and so etimi boa ma ache se area analysis no and so etimi koso kama etimi capture bibia and so e wo tima ye fa ne se Accra of folk ma ache se no so koso na nyambo china game na etimi e ba so no na coach I fa ne se Didi Dramani ache so on a new head coach Edama team friend say Accra to folk no akasa ede nsempia nso atimi atudwa afa El Clasico atese no so 8 eba so no na enkotie ensema Didi Dramani enso de tudwa.
Good. Then you adjust again. There we go. Yes. Good. Good. Adjust. Go. Hurry up. Good.
We are zoomed from the 23rd, and so we just have been working to understand the team and then to understand what we have. I think it's very good to have a moment of this kind, and also to come up with the right maiden squad that we have, and in order to be able to showcase what really the new House of Folk outlook will look like. Every coach or every player in Ghana knows what it takes playing against arch rivals, especially Kotoko playing against House of Folk. You don't need to speak anything about it. I think I have not spoken to the players about the name of the team, but I've just been preparing them with regards to our expectations on the day, and so every player knows the importance and then the relevance of these games. So you need not to be told to add up to any other pressures. No, I just tell them how we are developing our style of play, and how we are developing our game model, how we are developing our team philosophy, and how we are developing our team culture. So we are using this moment, to get the right energies, effort, and then hopefully some good performance comes up. We try to use economic methods of training, that is doing everything little by little, technical, tactical, physical, and getting them in the right mindsets. And so, because we are not in the right phase of times in association football, this period they should have been recuperating, or they should have been getting ready to transit from resting of the physical and mental parts to getting ready to come back for preseason. But here we are, you are supposed to prepare a team to play a high profile game, and you know how it is. We try as much as possible to manage the loads, even in the game, to manage that we don't have players playing too much and then the players getting injuries and then getting worse in the course of the season. So it's a very difficult times of the year when you have high profile game in an off season when you have not even gone into the preseason. The team love them and they know we want them to begin to show that the Phobian spirit is back. They should come and fill to the stadium and just keep cheering, irrespective of what is happening. They should just keep supporting the team. We are ready and we want to make them happy.
We and so much as a coach. I found said Didi Dramani and so to dry day and want some and so ever. Now it also general team a friend say a crowd of folks so you know now Osha had to focus near Koso and say goalkeeper. Your father said Benjamin Asari and so no week win goalkeeper no ho and so intimate and fan santi nyambo channel a 50-50 say a goalkeeper a fan say Benjamin Asari no and so a better goal post no a 50-50 and so intimate ho nti say echna akobo say Benjamin Asari intimate whether goal post no na che say ekoye question katia mo na che say a opportunity no and so bitimi eko e de amom na afi no almost anya da advantage na koda goal post no e de amati my friend say e akra to folk na sa goalkeepers we su koda mu a ya na hadwen pa nti no yen hwe de nyambo che no so e bitimi akoso e wo team my friend say akra to folk na o hwe game etimi e ba so no hat to folk ene e team a your friend say e Asante Kotoko game na e ba so no yen hwe ne possible lineup a nyambo che na ene so bitimi ewuram ewo both sides no and so aswe na me party ewuram first ewo team my friend say a crowd of folk side goalkeeper friend say Benjamin Asari say dem dika kai no say goalkeeper no because of say Oyarinti no yemfa Starish into international goalkeeper no yemfa Question Ketia and so enda go post no Emma Tima your friend say a crowd of folk likely say ono and should be to me at a 50-50 because goalkeeper friend say Benjamin Asari is not feeling well and when to me and training and just a training session no that is a goalkeeper friend say Benjamin Asari and so anti so far as I went to training I'm a team no not just a doubtful so no should be to me at that goal post no Eddie I'm a team friend say a crowd of Question Ketia a better goal post no Eddie I'm a team your friend say a crowd of folk Emmanuel Amankwa and so ever started game no Eddie I'm a team my friend say a crowd of folk Ransford Mensah and so beat me as started I feel kuna do Yadom Kevin Osei SCB David upon Afrane Yekosi Asma Hussein Mohammed Hamza Isa Seth Osei and then Mawuli Wayo and no a possible 11 yeshani Musanyambo Chinamburum Eramatima your friend say Accra to folk Question Ketia Emmanuel Amankwa Ransford Mensah Kunadu Yadom Kevin Osei SCB David upon Afrane a player friend say Kwesi Asma Hussein Mohammed Hamza Isa Seth Osei and then player friend say Mawuli Wayo also a possible 11 just say yeshanimo send us with me akoso the Continental Club Masters Accra to folk side and oko a opponent and also call opposite number I know a team friend say Asante Kotoko so Kotoko number china new players no e be and so with me ewuram abo and so home test said here Air Classico no esitie Ghana edition of Air Classico the super class no so with me at test bi and so a feel said and so esitie onti number china Kotoko side goalkeeper the day and near for say Kamara and so with me at that goal post no day Amatima your friend say Asante Kotoko Kamara Mohammed Afei Lord Amoa and so with me as started Francis Aqua a new player Kotoko so etimi assign no achese nyambo china hwene mu so no so betimi as started Amatima friend say Asante Kotoko Zakaria Fuseni and so a new player Afei player friend say Samba Honor Ndongani and so betimi as started Amatima friend say I am Asante Kotoko Afei player friend say Set Kojo and so ebitimi awuram Peter Amidu Akwa Emmanuel Entry and so Kwampuku Albert Amwa and then player for no say Saka Dauda almost so players mu some bet must start and what team fan say Asante Kotoko Mohamed Kamara Lord Amwa Francis Akwa Zakaria Fuseni Samba Onel Ndongani Seth Kojo Peter Amidu Akwa Emmanuel Anchi Kwam Opoku Albert Amwa and player for Saka Dauda many players mu so almost bet me a start Eddie Ama team my friend say Asante Kotoko and so 18 oh ntinyambo channel we game no enye easy a crucial game just also no also our stadium na bibi aso no 18 ekoso kama so ndi chirentene fie what you say the super class in air baswa also with me stadium na fie also support and so kama club also with me support na bibi aso no 18 ka fie for transfers ba community bi so so na fie no yen hwede no so ekoso transfers. Let us start from Asante Kotoko na yeni Kotoko ho nkomo kakra enso etimi ho na okọ Asante Kotoko aso ya now player for say Da Costa Osu obekaya MTN Africa final course na golden kick any team ye friend say Asante Kotoko de ko boani sa player we enso so amount of pressure on team friend say Asante Kotoko and ohwe ne friend say MTN Africa course na player we ne modimo no na chese ade na soro because of enu as a clubs do pina show interest more club to say Accra folk show interest Asante Kotoko show interest na Heart of Folk crowd no offer ekoye no na yete say club your friend say golden kick for no club no omo Heart of Folk offer no and omo consider team your friend say Asante Kotoko de no esanse player na your friend say Da Costa no na or prefer Asante Kotoko to team your friend say Accra Folk na me pacho Kotoko ni player no so negotiation e course no nearby say now team a friend say golden kick for them almost so as no team a friend say Asante Kotoko now na yete and say player friend say Da Costa also and so every Ghana akopiem e woni friend say Estonia e wana say player no so ebitimi akọ now no so etimi akwesina kanti say china bi what is a player friend say Da Costa also and at say Kotoko e peronom wantimi ama akopiem e Estonia no amananya asemfo for sanse medican and so etimi a confirm the amount na yento so Lord Hilary Adabo former RTU player now and as currently Osina Kayadema team fan say FC Samates 1996 player no and so etimi and modimama team fan say Samates no ayada say no so etimi was just ended season or ball near fan say 30 matches for team fan say Samates the modimono so etimi was so we defensive midfielder just say we gina hɔ dia bibia so so etimi koso kama pa twabo no wadre na say nieba and setima ye friend say Asante Kotoko and Samates and so etimi edinkomo na omana Samates nkomo no bibia so etimi akosoma both parties no and so etimi atiase a chese ye hwede mu se Kotoko enche announce no babo ntense player ye friend say Lord Hilary Adabo and so a player the matima your friend say Asante Kotoko na both parties no and so kwatena se nyekoso and sisika betima pim 200,000 Ghana cedis and kanisika 2 billion and a betimi pim na installment and Asante Kotoko and so betimi etua no ombedi kan etua near friend say 150,000 a year Ghana cedis which is 1.5 billion and then later on now for almost the near friend say 50,000 Ghana cedis no which is a year 500 million and so etimi aka ho na bibia so no etimi akoso kama e team your friend say Asante Kotoko and so no Samates aso ye de wonsamba na akoba say player no so etimi sign contract no e de team your friend say Asante Kotoko 3 years contract and I just say yete and so no so bitimi e de pen SCP so and so etimi assign e de team your friend say Asante Kotoko player friend say Hilary no nearby says no Kotoko almost plans and say Kobasa amoko South Africa na amode player no enso no ebitimi akọ amo pese amo yibipia na afi no mo de player no enso move to South Africa na afi bia so no etimi ekoso kama enso hwaide ewonsem no enso etimi eba na afi player fun say Baba Adamu golden kick player no just on your center back na onim say ne ekoso ne move to team a your fun say Accra to folk no our final stage I say niete and say akase player no enso de pen be si pa so enso sign contract area ama team a your fun say Accra to folk enti Baba Adam nyambo next season no obeka player bi te se Kevin Osei asibe mo ho obeka player bi te se David Opona frane mo ho enso atimi e wa kire wa kye se eye Michael Awuamen sam ho e wa kire na bia so no atimi akoso kama e wa tima ye friend se eye Accra to folk community no se no niete ene se enche obete se official announcement e beba se ko ba se player no e de pen se pipa so na te ono so atimi san both parties no enso so atimi arechi eye agreement almost atimi coming in together. I just both parties no so etimatanase abibia so no etimakoso kama say no almost what you say say player friends Baba Ademu and so be sia kan era matima your friend say Accra to folk intino golden kick for no say no monya quality players some players are almost so a chomo transfer pa when say nakase Dacosta Usubeko Estonia and Baba Ademu Subeba tima your friend say Accra to folk kwacha say idea just omo business and no say so cost and Baba Ademu so no player and more demona was so just a bono when important bonus hyping and will be a hype no mo a player be just say o good or a fantastic player just about to folk so bibia koye mana ono so bitimi aboa club e friend say Accra to folk on say sometimes players bo ha omo club mi ana emfa ati ase bet o hwe player no ogina agopama so na onkeka ene steady ne emesiti na o fantastic player a che se hwe ne mu so ba ene ma paso betimi akoso kama edi aman our the Continental Club Masters Accra to folk na bibia so no enso etimi akoso kama ye di enwon sem no enso so on this note no yam fan sem ni si na afenisia enso ewo ne efan next video tino na bibia so no intimi nkoso nyagopon ko bibia ho se mene teso ojade o se watachi na afi umre na afi uti adwumadi enso so ha Charles Ado TV on YouTube, Charles Ado TV on TikTok and Charles Ado on Facebook. Nyagopon ko bibia ho yakram.